go to another factory that is Shenzhen Eton Automation Equipment Corporation. Yeah, it's an equipment company. Let's see how they show us their equipment, help us produce the light. Hello.
Hey.
Hello. I am Casey. My name is Casey. From lighting. May I have your name? I see two beautiful girls. What's your name?
Hi, Kathy. Nice to meet you. I'm Alison.
Alison.
And yes, and this is Joy.
Joy. Oh,
Yes.
okay. Yeah. So now we have 15 minutes to take a view of your company and your product. So could you introduce your company first?
Sure, it's our pleasure. This is Shenzhen Eton Automation Equipment. We set up in 2011 and have more than 10 years in SMT machines field. To now, we have office in Shenzhen, Zhongshan, Shanghai, and Zhejiang, Ruichang City. Especially now, we have our own industrial park in Jiangxi. And Eton as the leading manufacturer of SMT in China. Today, we will focus on introducing our Shenzhen Eton company and then share our products in detail. So today we will share a Shenzhen Eton company video at the beginning. So let's see the video together.
Okay, let's take a look of your video.
Revitalizing national industry, fully devoted to developing the manufacturing of smart equipment. Shenzhen Eton Automation Equipment Company Limited was established in 2009 and located in Fuyong, Shenzhen, adjacent to Shenzhen Airport. We possess more than 300 staff at present and cover an area for more than 20,000 square meters. It's a high-tech enterprise that mainly professional in R&D, manufacturing and marketing of SMT equipment. Since the establishment of the company, with the green and energy-saving development trend of global illumination and rapid development of LED industry and its requests for the manufacturing craft, Eton has seized the opportunity and rising quickly. They have independently researched, designed, manufactured a set of quicker, more stable, more optimal LED fully automatic, high-speed, energy-saving chip mounter and multifunction chip mounter, which have been highly recognized in the industry for its absolute advantage in speed, stability, and capacity. At the same time, it has solved the offset and flame material issues when producing 1.2 meters, 1.5 meters lamp plates and wireless lamp plates and art form elements at high speed. Eton has passed ISO 9001 quality management system certification and has obtained more than 100 of patents and certificates, including for utility model, personal invention, software copyright, and so on. We have established cooperative relationship with well-known enterprises at home and abroad, such as MLS, Opel, NVC, Navigation, PAC, ETI, FSL, Home Lighting, Yangguang Lighting, XSY, Sansi, India Arcade, India Soya, Vietnam, Rangdong, Egypt, Futag, etc. Today, 10 years later, Eton has never forgotten the original intention. We let go of past glory, keep learning and innovating, do our best to move beyond. We created the R&D Technology Department, which comprises more than 30 people, including Chinese American, Chinese Japanese, Taiwan compatriot, and our own domestic talent. The department owns SMT complete set of production equipment and technique, and has years of experience and powerful research and development ability. Eton is constantly getting breaking progress in technology. We have researched and developed a variety of multifunction general chip mounter, which can be used to perfectly mount a product that includes a variety of drivers, power, circuit board, lamps, wired valve, domestic control board, and so on. It's also applicable to mount types of capacitors, resistors, ICs, special made arc-form components, and the like. Aside from that, our company also equips the advanced manufacturing center, which provides the powerful guarantee for the manufacturing of products and the delivery time. Every single set of equipment is strictly in accordance with the company's quality control process from the time of manufacturing to delivery. The main products HT-F7 2-arm special high-speed chip mounter, which can mount 2 to 4 types of materials simultaneously. The capacity reaches 150,000 CPH. HT-F9 2-arm magnetic suspension high-speed chip mounter, which can mount 2 to 4 types of materials simultaneously. The capacity reaches 250,000 CPH. HT-XF 2-arm LED high-speed chip mounter, of which the capacity reaches 170,000 CPH. HT-E9 display screen special high-speed chip mounter, of which the capacity reaches 200,000 CPH. HT-T7 unlimited lens soft light stripe high-speed chip mounter, of which the capacity reaches 150,000 CPH. HT-T9 2-arm magnetic suspension wireless long plate high-speed chip mounter, of which the capacity reaches 200,000 CPH. HT-D12 fully automatic magnetic suspension high-speed glow dispenser, of which the capacity reaches 90,000 CPH. HT-E5D dual module magnetic suspension multifunction high-speed chip mounter. HT-E5S single module magnetic suspension multifunction high-speed chip mounter. HT-E8Z dual module magnetic suspension multifunction high-speed chip mounter. HT-E8S single module magnetic suspension multifunction high-speed chip mounter. HT-E6S copper wire light multifunction chip mounter, and such SMT whole set of automatic production equipment. Our products have been exported to more than 20 countries and regions, including Korea, India, Vietnam, Tunisia, Egypt, Turkey, and so on. Meanwhile, the company has created customer service center where records every customer and the sale of every set of machine permanently. Its existence can timely solve customers' questions when using it, which truly provides the convenience and assurance for our customers. In the future, Eton will continue to focus on pursuing technical innovation and revitalizing national industry as our mission. We will provide the best cost performance automatic equipment in the industry to all users. Through our keen market insight and industrially advanced innovation ability, let's carry forward our course, forge ahead into the future, and work hard for advancing Chinese smart manufacturing 2025.
Thanks for watching the video introduction of Eton Shenzhen company. Yes, Kathy.
Thank you, Elisa and Julia. Yeah, very impressive. It's high technology machine. I have one question. How many pieces does one machine produce?
Pardon?
Yes, how many pieces if one machine worked a day, they can produce the product?
It's about the products. We also prepare a PPT to introduce in detail. Before we said, today we are focused on introducing Shenzhen Eton company. And I mentioned in 2020, we established Shenzhen Eton Old Industrial Park in Jiangxi, Ruichang City. The total construction area exceeds 50,000 square meters. So we also prepare a PPT in 3 sections to have a short introduction about our own industrial park and then share our products in detail. And then we will answer your questions.
Yes, Elisa, but the time is limited. We only have 1 minute.
Yes,
to
yes. We know,
show.
yes. We can
Okay.
control it.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Yes, cause the time limit, so we have a short introduction about our company of Jiangxi Industrial Park. You can see these pictures. This is some view of our industrial park pictures. There are our own manufacturing center. We all equipped with an advanced processing manufacturing center, so strict quality control and standardized production. Streamlined production process makes our machines a high quality standard and have strong supply capacity. Yes, Eton is dedicated to the integration of SMT high-speed chip mounter, RD production, sales, and after-sales technical services. In 2020, yes, you can see from 2011, we are advanced in RD from the HTE3 series to 2000. We have HTF9 series and FTRT series. And last year, we finished our industrial park established. Eton is also advanced technology and innovation drives the revolution of markets rapidly and obtains a number of intellectual property technologies. We have 9 innovation patents, 12 software copyrights, and 112 practical patents. Eton is also high-tech enterprise with CCC Series C and rated as Shenzhen High-Tech Enterprise, China High-Tech Enterprise, and Double Soft Enterprise. So it is a very short introduction of our industrial park. Before we said we have many offices in China, and as a China top 1 SMT machines manufacturer, we also have many offices in abroad, such in India, Turkey, Egypt, and so on. So if there is any requirements about after services, we can provide it promptly.
Okay.
Yes. Now it's my colleague Joy to have a short to have a products introduction in details.
Yes, and now I would like to share our machine details with everyone. Eton, as the leading manufacturer of the SMT machine in China, actually our machine is widely application. It could suitable for all kinds of LED lighting and the electric board, like the LED panel, the strip light, and the LED tube, even the power driver, the DOB, and roll-to-roll flexible strip light, Our main product is the pick and place machine, and the function of this machine is picking components and mount on the PCB. Eton pick and place machine may have two series. One is the high-speed series, another is the multifunctional series. For the high-speed pick and place machine, there are F9 and the F7S, T9 and the T7S. All of these four models, the capacity is reached more than 150,000 trip hour. Especially for the F9 and the T9, they are the new model based on the F7S and the T7S. The super high speed could be reached 250,000 trip hour. So it is no doubt that this is the fast placement machine in all over the world. But the big difference of these four models are the application. For the F9 and the F7S, they are suitable for the 0.6 meter to 1.2 meter reach PCB and the flexible strip like the LED tube and the strip light panel. This is F7S. But for the T9 and the T7S, they are professional for the row-to-row flexible strip light from 5 meter to 25 meter and even the 100 meter strip light row-to-row. So for our clients' product, if they are interested in the LED model lighting, we will recommend the F9 and the F7S. And if only for the row-to-row strip light, T9 and the T7S are the best choice. Also, for the multifunctional series, Eton also have different models like the RT1, RT2, RT4, EAS, EAD, and RT series are the newest model with high precision. They are very suitable for the small board like the power driver, the DOB, the household appliance, etc. And RT2 is similar like the RT1. The big difference is this model is two mounting heads with double model. So there are 20 nozzles, which the capacity is 70,000 trip hour. It is really high speed in the multifunctional model. So for the economy, RT1 model is good, but RT2 also is high speed. So if choose one RT2, it is equal to 2 RT1, and also say the factory and the labor cost for the manufacturing. Also, for some clients, maybe are interested in the middle speed machine for the more than 0.6 meter to 1.2 meter LED lighting or the driver board. They have very multifunctional products. Our model EA is very suitable for that. EA single model, this is single model. It is 12 heads and 28 vidas. The speed is 45,000 trip hour. So it is widely applied to all kinds of LED model light and the driver board. And
Yes,
if
yes,
you
it's very
like to
professional.
yes, and EAD is the double model with higher capacity. So this is the soft introduction of our machine. And for the market, we also have big market in the outdoor and the indoor market. More than 80% BLD factory are our client, like the NLS, FSL, and the Yangkang Lighting factory. And for the international market, our machine has sold to India and Vietnam, Tunis, Egypt, Turkey, more than 20 countries. So our machine is very good. And now my introduction is finished. About there are our contact number on the PPT for the future cooperation.
Okay, thank you, Jai. Thank you for your professional introduction, and we have seen many information from your PPT and the videos. So due to the time limit, so we have to come to end. And yes, thank you, Alison and Jai. Thank you for your introduction. Yeah, to lovely group. Thank you.
Thank you too. Yes, thank you.
Let's see next day. Okay. Yes.
Is there any question?
Well, I have seen many information for your PPT, so many questions I want to ask. I can see it from your PPT. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
So if anyone interested in the company and the product, you can leave a message on the comment areas. Then Alison and Jack will contact you directly. Okay.
Okay,
Thank
thank you.
you.
Okay. Thank you, Alison, Jack. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you.
you,
See you
Kathy.
next time.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.